Hey, what is up guys? It is your boy Future 6 Girl here, and today I'll be showing you how to make your computer work faster in just a couple steps. So first, what you would need to do is just go to Cortana and look up Windows Defender Security Center. And once you're there, click on the three bars at the very top left and click on Virus and Threat Protection. And hold on. Okay. Now, bro, come on, man. I'm recording. All right. So once you're there, there's probably gonna be something like this. It's probably gonna be off. So all you would need to do is just turn it all on, and you should be good. It should be running faster and swifter. And yeah, boy, Kiefer, you can unmute yourself. Introduce yourself, man.
Daddy makes me moist.
Oh, okay, man. Okay, you heard him. Make him moist. All right. See ya, guys.